Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Marsafiati, dosen dari Program Studi Pendidikan Administrasi Perkantoran Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya dosen pembimbing pertama dari mahasiswa yang bernama Oki Nurnayanti Putri dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Internal Locus of Control dan konsep diri terhadap kematangan karir siswa SMK Negeri 3 Depok. Berikut pemaparannya. Yuk kita saksikan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for blessing and grace to enable me complete the thesis proposal. The Honorable Mr. Roni Faslah, SPD MM, as the Coordinator of Office Administration Education. My supervising lecturer, Mrs. Marsofiati, SPD MPD, and Dr. Asli Usman MS. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Oki Nurnayanti Putri from Office Administration Education 2019, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present my proposal thesis with title The Influence of Internal Locus of Control and Self-Concept on Student Career Maturity in SMKN 3 Depok. First, background problem. Digitalization that occurs is predicted to eliminate some kind of work in the future. According to reports, the future of jobs from World Economics Forum mentioned that in 2025 there will be 85 million jobs disappear, followed by 97 million new jobs in technology. A career in the digital era is a challenge. Rapid technological developments require everyone to develop their potential and be more careful in making career choice. To be able to determine the right career choice, a person must have good career maturity. To be able to achieve a good career maturity, one of which can be obtained through education. One of the educational institutions that focus on preparing students to measure competencies so they are better prepared in managing their career is the Vocational High School. But based on the data from Central Statistics Agency or BPS, the open employment rate according to the level education complete show that graduates from vocational high school from August 2020 to August 2022 are still the highest compared to graduates from other education. This can happen because of readiness of students in preparing for their career. Error in planning and making decisions on career choice are one of the problems that are prone to occur in adolescence. Vocational high school students fall into the criteria for youth. They are between age of 15 and 18 years. In adolescence, a person begins to be faced with the process finding identity, including determining what he will become in the future. So that adolescence is an important period for planning and determining decisions related to life in the future. The problem that occurs is regarding career maturity. Some students say that they still do not have an idea of what they want to do after graduating from vocational high school. The following is the percentage of peer research results from 30 students of SMKN 3 Depok. From the diagram above, it can be seen that there are 40% of students who already have an idea of what to do after graduating from vocational high school. Some students want to continue their education, and some want to go straight to work. They are confident in their abilities and skills because they also have practical experience in field work. However, there were 43% of students who answered doubtfully, which means that most students still felt confused about plans after graduating from school. The level of student career maturity is influenced by several factors, both internally and externally. To find out what factors have the most influence on the level of career maturity of students at SMKN 3 Depok, researchers conducted a pre-research on 30 students. Based on results of pre-research, it can be seen that internal locus of control and self-concept have the highest percentage compared to other factors. Next, purpose research. First, knowing influence of internal locus of control on student career maturity. Second, knowing the influence of self-concept on student career maturity. Third, knowing influence of internal locus of control and self-concept on students' career maturity. According to Super, career maturity is a person's ability to carry out developmental tasks in accordance with the stage of career development that is being undertaken and is also the level of individual readiness in planning and making career choice decisions to be occupied. Dimension in career maturity is first, career planning, with indicators having a plan after graduating from school and preparing to achieve the intended career goals. Second, career exploration, with indicators trying to find information from various sources and having sufficient information about the career interest. Third, informational competency, with indicators having knowledge of career information that is in accordance with their potential and also being able to understand the reason for choosing career. Fourth, career decision making, with indicators knowing the method or stage in making decisions, using their knowledge in making decisions, and learning how other people make decisions. According to Robbins, internal locus of control is the belief that the individual has that environment can be controlled by him, so that he is in the control of everything that happens. Indicators of internal locus of control are ability, interest, and effort. According to Byrne, self-concept is a person effect on himself as a whole, both of the view from himself and the view of others about him. Then, to measure self-concept through two dimensions, internal dimension and external dimension. The internal dimension is measured through three indicators: is self-identity, self-behavior, and self-acceptance. Then, the external dimension is physical self, moral ethical self, personal self, family self, and social self. Previous research. First, research by Munawir, Yusuf Effendi, and Afdal 2018 with title Internal Locus of Control and Self-Concept as Factor Affecting the Career Maturity of High School Students. Results show there is an influence between internal locus of control on student career maturity. Second, research by Wiguno, Susilo, and Windrawanto, 2020, with title The Influence of Self-Concept on Career Maturity of Adolescents, Member of Youth Organization in Kaliboyo Village. Results show there is a positive and significant influence between self-concept on student career maturity. Third, research by Anggreni 2022 with title The Influence of Internal Locus of Control, Self-Concept, and Family Support on the Career Maturity of Entrepreneurial Student at Kuningan University. Results show there is an influence between internal locus of control and self-concept on career maturity. Next, hypothesis. The hypothesis is first, there is a positive influence between internal locus of control on student career maturity. Second, there is a positive influence between self-concept on student career maturity. Third, there is a positive influence between internal locus of control and self-concept on student career maturity. Research method. The research was conducted at SMKN 3 Depok from January to June 2023. The population in the study were 12 grad students, totaling 451 students from 6 majors. The sampling technique used was proportional random sampling, and the solving formula was used to determine the sampling size in order to obtain 212 samples. The research method used in quantitative type of survey research and collecting data using a questionnaire. Data analysis technique using the SPSS program are statistical packages for social science, including validity and reliability tests, analysis, requirement tests, classical assumption tests, multiple regression analysis, hypothesis test, and analysis of the coefficient of determination. The result of the data validity test of the career maturity variable show that there are 24 valid data. Then, the result of the reliability test show a result of 0.901 more than 0.7 so that it can be declared reliable. The result of the data validity test of the internal locus of control variable, there are 16 valid data. Then the result of the reliability test show a result of 0.802 more than 0.7 so that it can be declared reliable. The result of the data validity test of the self-concept variable show that there were 21 valid data. Then the result of the reliability test show a result of 0.867 more than 0.7 so that it can be declared reliable. Descriptive analysis of respondent. Based on gender, the total of male respondent was 40% and female respondent were 60%. Then based on competency skill, it is divided into 6, which can be seen in the table. And this is the frequency distribution table on the career maturity variable. Then this is the histogram and the average score of career maturity indicators. Then this is the frequency distribution table on the internal locus of control variable. This is the histogram and the average score of internal locus of control indicator. This is the frequency distribution table on the self-concept variable. Then, this is the histogram and the average score of self-concept indicators. Normality test. Based on the table on the side, it can be seen that the value of seek-to-tile rate is 0.200 more than 0.05, so it can be concluded that the data is normally distributed. And based on the graph on the side, it can be seen that the data points spread out around the diagonal line and follow the diagonal direction. The meaning and the data are expressed as normally distributed. Linearity test. Based on the table, it can be seen the value of sig-value deviation from linearity of 0.311 more than 0.05. So it can be concluded that there is a linear relationship between internal locus of control and career maturity. And based on the table, it can be seen the value of sig-value deviation from linearity of 0.296 more than 0.05. So, heteroskedasticity test. Based on the table, it can be seen the seek-to-tile value of the internal locus of control variable has a value of 0.757 more than 0.05. Then, sig-value to tile of self-concept variable of 0.716 more than 0.05. It can be concluded internal locus of control variable and self-concept do not occur heteroskedasticity. Multicollinearity test. The internal locus of control variable and self-concept have tolerant value of 0.526 more than 0.1. Then, the value of variance inflation obtained in the internal locus of control and self-concept variable is 1.901 less than 10. It can be concluded that there is no multicollinearity. This is the multiple linear regression analysis with the result that be seen in the table. Hypothesis test, F-test. Based on the table, it can be seen the value of F calculated more than F table is 102.337 more than F table 3.038. Then significant value of 0.000 less than 0.05. There is a positive and significant influence of internal locus of control and self-concept variable together or simultaneously on career maturity. T-test. Based on the table, it can be seen the variable x1 has a calculated value of 6081 for more than 1.652 and a significance value of 0.000 less than 0.05. Then the variable x2 has a calculated value of 4.999 more than 1.652 and significant value 0.000 less than 0.05. There is a positive and significant influence between internal locus of control on career maturity, and there is a positive and significant influence between self-concept variable and career maturity. Coefficient of determination. The value of the coefficient of determination is 0.490. So it can be concluded that the variable of internal locus of control and self-concept have an effect of 49% on the career maturity of SMK Negeri 3 Depok student, and the remaining 51% are influenced by other variables outside the model in this study. Conclusion. Internal locus of control has a positive and significant influence on career maturity of SMK Negeri 3 Depok students. From the calculation results, the T-calculate value was 6.814 more than 1.65. 2 and the SIG value 0.000 less than 0.05. H1 accepted. Self-concept has a positive and significant influence on the career maturity of SMK Negeri 3 Depok students. From the calculation result, the value of the T-calculate value is 4.999 more than 1.652, and the value of 60.000 less than 0.05. H2 accepted. Internal locus of control and self-concept together have a positive and significant influence on career maturity of SMK Negeri 3 Depok students. From the calculation result, the F calculate more than F table. H3 accepted. Implication. Increased knowledge related to the internal locus of control, self-concept, and career maturity of students. The school or teacher can be help students by providing guidance and direction in the making preparation in achieving the career. Then, students need to understand that the abilities they have today can affect their success. By understanding this will make students have a higher desire to recognize what is their ability or potential. That's all my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi